Hello viewers, in this video we'll see how H5P can be used to make our videos interactive. This is the best platform as it allows us to add our images, our questions and even links of another videos into our own video. After creating a free account and login, this is the page which we will be seeing. Click on Try out HYP. So if you want, the options are here. Click on interactive video. We can give the display buttons to download, allow download, embed button and copyright buttons are given. So the step 1 is we have to upload the video. The limit is 16 MB if we are adding our own video, or we can take up YouTube videos or any other links which can be used. I'll paste a link and then click on insert. We can edit this copyright. Here we have options for interaction. We can change the title of the video or we can hide the video. We can write the description. We can add an image. The text tracks can be removed if it is not YouTube. And then we have behavioral settings where we can decide when the video can be played, whether it can be autoplay, whether it can loop, or we can override this show solution is for the questions which we ask. If he has given wrong answer, then we can override it. We can override the retry button. We can even add bookmarks. We can have rewinding for 10 seconds. We can prevent from skipping of the video. We can even deactivate the sound. This another option where we can translate the text which is in our video. So to add the interactions, go for add interactions, which is step 2. Now in all this, here we can see the next step, add interactions. The video which I have given as a link has come up. In this toolbar, we can see there are many options which can be used to add the interactions. First one is we can add a text, we can add a table, we can give links, we can even add images, we can add multiple choice question, we can add a true or false question. These are the basic things which we can try out. Let's see one by one. Let's try the first one, add text. So here you can see the options. If you want to pause the video, click here and the video will be stopped. The text image will be shown either as a button where the students have to click on it to see what it is there, or you can either give it as a poster. The name of the text can be here given and the matter has to be typed here. I'll write something. Modulation is changing the carrier characteristics according to message. So you can even set the visuals if you want to see as a shadow or you want to see it with some other background color. We can even go on click where we can select what is the type, either you want it as a time code or another visual. After these settings are done, click on done and we can see the matter I have typed has come here. You can change the position by clicking on it. You can even edit this after seeing this. I've written something else. I'll change it. This doesn't look good. So I'll change it correctly. I'll add an MCQ question here. Click on this button. We'll go to here. We can again select to pause the video either as a button or as a poster. Based on the place, we can select one of these. Button will take up less space and poster will be taking more space. I'll write the question and the options have to be given. We have to select which is the correct here. We can even give the tips and feedback. The scoring range can be added. We can give them as 0 to 100 one range or 0 to 50 as okay, 50 to 100 as excellent, whichever we want we can be done. So this is how the question has come up. We can change the size like this and the students can select one of the options as their response. After adding all of your interactions, the last step is summary task. We can change the title here. We have to give the statements. There is a set of statements which are used as questions. The students have to answer those so that we can know their understanding. We can add as many statements as we want. The first one will be taken as default correct answer. If the student select anything else, then it will be taken as wrong answer. We can even give the tips to the students. We can customize the feedback range. It will be displayed 3 seconds before the video ends. If you want to change this, we have to select here. I have given 0 to 40 range as failed and 41 to 100 as passed. Finally, after all of the settings, click on save. We have to give the title here. I'll write it as modulation. Click on save and it will be saved. So here we can see the text I have added. This is the multiple choice question. The answer will be given like this. And then the last summary question. I have given this as a button. So we have to click on open summary dialog. We have to select which is the correct answer. The progress will be shown like this. So click on continue. The final step to share this video, click on embed option. Copy this data and paste in your HTML page. It will be with this particular size. If you want to resize the video, click on show advanced. Copy the script and paste in your page. Thanks for watching.